What do we mean by tumbler blenders? Well, as the name suggests, blenders which tumble. So tumbler blenders function mainly by diffusion mixing. They rely on the action of gravity to cause the powder to cascade within the rotating vessel. A mixing homogeneity of up to 98% and higher can be achieved using tumbler blenders. Blending efficiency is affected by the volume of the material loaded into the blender and the speed of rotation. These blenders can be provided with high-speed intensifier bars for disintegration of agglomerates. These are preferred where precise blend compositions are needed. They are best suited for free-flowing applications and non-segregating powders, primarily because we are using gravity. The recommended fill volume is 50 to 60% of the total blender volume. So any blender that we design, there has to be space to allow the material to mix. So every blender has a particular ratio of fill. So in the case of tumbler blenders, it is 50 to 60%. The blend times typically range from about 5 to 15 minutes. The advantages of tumbler blenders, well, ease of product charging, operation and discharging the material. The shape of the blender ensures that there's 100% product discharge. This is one key advantage that you derive in the case of a tumbler blender. The particle size reduction is minimized because of absence of any moving blades and agitators. So wherever we are handling friable materials, materials which are fragile, well, the tumbler blender is a good blending option. The absence of shaft projections into the mixer, or the working area, eliminates the requirement of any seals. Now, although seal manufacturers and mixer manufacturers have worked together to develop seals which work extremely well for mixing equipment, but not having a seal can definitely be an advantage because it eliminates the maintenance. Above all, it eliminates the possibility of any contamination of the seal material into the blender or the sealing material into the blender. The cleaning of a tumbler blender is easy. Tumbler blender requires minimal maintenance. There are no moving parts other than the shell, no agitators running at high speeds, so you have minimal maintenance. They come with their own share of disadvantages. Tumbler blender needs high headroom for installation because the whole shell has to rotate. I mean, imagine a 2000 liter shell rotating. Well, you require a large space there. It also poses safety concerns with such a large moving body. Segregation problems occur with mixtures having a wide particle size distribution or large differences in particle densities. Highly coercive materials cannot be handled in tumbler blenders since they tend to form a bridge over the blender outlet. So it comes with its share of limitations as well. How do we overcome these?